Have to. I have to leave now. You have to start your presentation. He has to fire a few workers. She has to participate in a board meeting. It has to work. We have to transfer money to this company. You have to tell me what's wrong. They have to travel on business a lot. I don't have to do that. You don't have to work so hard. He doesn't have to be in the office. She doesn't have to cook a lot. It doesn't have to be today. We don't have to work full-time. You don't have to show the IDs. They don't have to explain that to you. Do I have to analyze the data? Do you have to work on Christmas Eve day? Does he have to go to work on Monday? Does she have to be there? Does it have to be done by the end of June? I will have to do it. He won't have to fly to Finland. Will they have to make a presentation? I had to say it. You didn't have to do that. Did you have to have surgery? Did you have to go to work tomorrow? I don't have to make dinner today. What does he have to learn? He has to fill up the car. Lucy doesn't have to go there. You don't have to buy these books. I don't have to do it. She doesn't have to do this project. Patrick has to apologize. You have to watch this documentary. My mum has to work even on Saturdays. You have to talk to her. Do they have to live in a small flat? What does he have to do? My brother has to help me. You have to let me know. They don't have to travel by bus. I have to charge my phone. What do you have to do? You don't have to send these documents. It has to be done. They have to communicate with the manager. It doesn't have to be perfect. Paul doesn't have to work late. Jennifer has to take the dog for a walk. You have to wear elegant clothes. Does it have to be on Monday? Do I have to be present at the meeting? Does it have to be there? Anne and Simon have to organise the party for Jill. I have to go to Beijing. I had to go to Beijing. I will have to go to Beijing. You don't have to do that. You didn't have to do that. You won't have to do that. She has to study every day. She had to study every day. She will have to study every day. He has to swim twice a week. He had to swim twice a week. He will have to swim twice a week. It has to start on Friday. It had to start on Friday. It will have to start on Friday. We don't have to work on Sunday. We didn't have to work on Sunday. We won't have to work on Sunday. Do you have to sign the agreement? Did you have to sign the agreement? Will you have to sign the agreement? They have to know that. They had to know that. They will have to know that. Langaro.com